Now, as companies and corporations expand across Asia and elsewhere, they're faced with a growing challenge in not increasing their carbon footprint. But when the Reed group of companies expanded into Australia, they came up with an innovative solution to their new computing needs. Well, here to tell us all about it is the head of IT services at Reed, Sean Whetstone. Welcome to you, Sean.
Thank you.
I'm guessing that is a key part of what you did. Tell me a little bit about it.
It is. So this device here, it's made by a company called Wyse, a US company, but it's a global company. And it uses around 10% of the power that a normal PC would use. And because it doesn't have an operating system and it doesn't have fans and hard disks, it can be shut down overnight.
So it's as powerful as a normal PC, but
yes,
obviously a miniature version which uses much less energy.
It's a miniature version that doesn't have an operating system. So it uses infrastructure servers in a data center. So companies such as Reed can use data centers in the UK to supply services and applications all around the world.
So once you hook it up to a normal monitor, anyone using that computer shouldn't notice any difference?
No, they would see exactly what they would see with a PC.
Okay, and it's been successful in reducing your carbon footprint?
It's been fantastic in reducing our carbon footprint. We've managed to reduce our carbon footprint by 2,500 tonnes of CO2 in 2006 and a similar amount in 2007.
Does that mean you're now carbon neutral, or are you still working?
Well, we're carbon neutral from a point of view of offsetting our carbon. We did that in 2005. But what we're trying to do is reduce our carbon footprint by about 20% in 2007.
Of course, but beyond the environmental side of things, there's an actual business cost or reduced cost to this, because presumably your power bill's gone down.
Of course, because efficiency is saving money as well. So our utility bills have gone down by nearly £250,000 from rolling out this technology.
Yeah, but of course some companies would be put off by the cost of bringing in all these new terminals. Did you do it at a point where you were looking to replace the hardware anyway?
We were doing it at a point where our PCs had become obsolete, so we were doing a technology refresh anyway. So it made sense to do it at that point, invest in this technology. Yeah. The big point as well is this technology will last a lot longer than a PC. So we're designing this to last up to 8 years, where maybe a PC would last 3 to 4 years.
And what about the initial outlay in buying one of those terminals rather than an ordinary standard PC?
Well, that's a great thing, considerably less.
Yeah.
So maybe 20 to 30% of the price of a PC.
So less cost at the outset, and it's going to last longer, and it's going to reduce your power bill.
Yes.
I'm struggling to see a downside in this.
It's a bit of a no-brainer, isn't it?
Well, let's see how many other companies actually follow your lead in this. But something you're planning to expand elsewhere in the world as well?
Yes, we've recently rolled out to Australia, Melbourne and Sydney. So instead of investing into infrastructure in Australia, we managed to put in infrastructure back in the UK, which they do what they call follow the sun. So use the same servers that we use for our UK market in a different time zone for Australia. So again, efficient from an energy point of view and from a cost and expense point of view as well.
Well, thanks very much for coming in to tell us all about it.
Thank you.
Good luck with the rest of the initiatives.
Thank you.
Thank you.